better like a be a few me bluff me. We garden check a bluff few futu. Beko nke imbile jekpo ni wona twi nyoko e wo no me e try ke imbile ba wi more nu ogale hushi e feel like oh because beke bi e fi atwa me twi mum e wona ekele wi twi imbile e respond ni nke la ke show imbile le enu oga e wo be like te o ten ni a respond ke wow ni le ke me ake show this is the first time ni na
to your ten
Ijeba.
afi enye oye
5.
oye 5 wow
ni moje
ni moje
In the UK.
in the UK
be abladia bi mene imbanye gbena ko mi fala nye kembale ken plamane no ingbe di mi ayi ganyo bi community on YouTube the whole Ghana and leke plamane no won bomodin ake wa achi gan se ni wo hani gawe mo akọ imama papa nemini. So on this channel basically what I teach Ga. We talk about anything concerning Ga ethnic group or the Gadangbe ethnic group, just to promote the language, the people, the food, and also our culture. So if this is your first time coming here, don't forget to subscribe and tell someone about this channel. We have a beautiful language, we have a beautiful culture, and we need the world to know about our culture. In today's episode, I'm going to speak to a sister who had traveled all the way from UK to Ghana. Wo na sanigba ye gawe mo ni ame ebi te ame fi oten ame tun ame bi ega te ame yu oga e demete ke na gba e ko me ke enokwa mo ni bi ko me no wa kwe ke ha ni gawe mo afi emu ke ha ame bi ni ame fo. You are welcome to Chorkor Youth TV.
Thank you.
It's been an awesome time, and I'm so glad to finally
meet
you. And in 1 hour, because we here, when you okay, we pay like internet, no. Shimo, eji no papa keji work away pay. Be me for la bokemba. That channel
Orado, majobo. Yo, me who ain't na ke finally meet me ayi. Come here, come across channel neni. Wa because no me gang large few because in marry ganyo ni share channel neno. Mu wa mi wa yo mabia ke gabi fe men me yo UK geo men me yo Europe ke US fe ye boa ne ke channel netwe ke ganyo jibwe share more. That is how to get the channel going. Share more to every gang you know in your contact. No honey gawi mo ayashon.
Oh, we can be like I know Nagbakobe. I would love you to introduce yourself. Ojo in Shikechon, Meniko, Edake. Most of them don't really know you, so introduction would be a great thing for them.
Okay, I try my case here. Ganyo Jimmy. Nga mami jela. Papa amejega. Hey, kuna try me tabon. I mean, I'm a war Nelson say.
Men here bluff magbe.
Men here bluff magbe. She am a fan game jiame. Mindaye akucho. That's all it is. Abeka. Ni later woba anya. Wobi ana anya no yo.
Ufani woba mix bluff work or like how long have you been away from Ghana?
First, she Ghana right after uni. So me in the University of Ghana in 2006. The first year it was for a visit. Nte Yasla for 4 months in Samba. In Bafe National Service in Ghana. Oni for National Service me minto no chumo. Ina oni sa nte ku nke working holiday for 2 years. So after that in Samba, ke anu chumo no sani. Nani chumo shi je ni chumo no me minta on ma fe won fe fioni isanshi e wo be ni chumo e woni mi esumo Ghana wa ni chumo ni chumo ni ina no ni minta on ma fe no hani isanshi kete nodromo na meeting fatalo je meshile je western and what for be too
more than Wabacha Iwe Mone no. If you are watching, I would like you to know that she has a YouTube channel where she documents her children and they have some lovely videos, and I'll plead with you to head towards their channel. I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can subscribe to that channel. How challenging is it living in UK and as compared to the language?
Gariemo, it's a bit of challenge. I'm yet to see Mukoni a train a bit ni ekele yoga. Akucho mi yo inako Mukoni ke being wega. Yet, equivalently of other parts like outside London, tree me I'm a modern few she was Gambia in Nakucho, war beko inke imbile jekpo ni wana tree nyoko, no me a track can be by you more in Wagale Hushi, if you like, oh, because beke be a fear try me tree mum, you want to kill a tree and be a responding in Keraka show be le in Waga, it will be like a tay or ten. Respond wow. The like me show this is the first time na. I don't want to believe it. I don't care me fe. I'm sure there might be other guys. She could fire. Just as putting a lot of effort. It buys like every little time no bana. But I know I marry because I'm a boy in school when I brought for I'm about we no matter what I boy in school. It was only I was such a man can be a man most of them I'm a very brofomu na me jam man I'm by UK. It was me I come be a real I man more straight away I make a brofoko futu. It was be a then I'm start school at UK. We are man more because I'm already I'm a new brofo. I make a man more on starter. Chief it more Ghana because one more brofo it's easier cafe brofo sunny. Ni honestly meet ko ganyo yet ni eke bin we gan
but nye so Ghanaian ni ojeme ani nye for ganwe mu alo nye fa alo nye na meni nye kama
we gan mi mo ile be ni makele shi ke kule mi homokohe ni man na na we gan be kule mo ko etwale Ghana ni mo ganyo ni mo kele we gan e wo ke mi homo ni mo we ke na ke onya mi ganyo ne e ke ngale e kule many we are Egbinalo, Kenke, or Mingabu, or Keminkega, we more a welcomely. A cake, oh, Bonganyo Jibo, Kenke, what we few, a care, what bina. I don't know. Okay. She care me, men care, meet or I'm a real gun, let walk away a real. You were chemical in contact me. It's better than Gambia. I'm a few I'm a bro for me. Well, we can't check. I can bro for few for two.
Look at me, lady. Okay. Oh my, we mo. Chombo bomoni oji ke heni oji. Your language tells your roots and where you are coming from.
Exactly.
So, ke oteheko ni owie o manwe mo. Ani o le ake be wie mo
egbo mo
bashi. Ni fio ba na wie mo elaji. Meta mo bi wa ke e wo keje ke mo kupe. No na ke o mene imanyo ni ganyo ni ewo no kole bon gan wie mo.
The feeling is good. It's mutual and then it's good. I mean, it feels great. To me, I get a lot of joy when I meet somebody who I can relate to. In a show, this is my kind. This is part of me. Well, I think it's both sides. We all feel good. The joy. I mean, bo okay, oh hello ni okay one only show ganyo dibo we all get happy. That's one thing I like about Wagameke or meet here. We are
anukwale keke o shigana no ahimoko man for besa oyin opa agano ganyo mo no lo.
Yeah, it's possible especially ke o ifatalo je ganyo jile ba ni laji na bene hu ke ona ke manse nuchumo ke ni bi ofi o busy work be kule time no ba na jike onyemme bejeme nyemme bo mase be time no ba na no ke ba wi ganji beja o twahia e wo ga enyo elaji o because ka na muko ke wi ja o twahia da ni o ba na muko no ke wi elaji o etumo no ye hia ni mo fe mo wi gan yeah, to some extent, in your large. For me, my personal experience, not my personal experience. When I was growing up, aunties, in grandaunties, in papa, and many Joe American. I live there for so long. I can't remember Ghana. Do I'm a real guy. She ame gami che because ame jeme ame che e ba fi me at time ni do nyeme so she because ame nyeme so una ame te jeme so they don't get to communicate that much je kule ame fail equal occasion could then they meet then they talk it was still she call you mommy ona olugan ye hefe he wo easier
ani what ba ga chomo bo le ken follow jibo obi e to nyo twa me ga ten ani amenya me mo ga wi
onupa che ekule this is your language oba kele because in kela ke she ke okase wi mo no ba share boku will not play with you moku ke bo share was an only wi mo ni more importantly as an only wi mo because jemeji eni wo woje e wo we make a be a course starting me ke ja me baby time to e wo second one ke baby time to ni born like ga wi mo e wo le ke ko ke tete e ba ke judba tete judba ko ke la ke akonoku e ona ko o wi le ga na enu e ko ke o wi le blofu e ke na ke ene okoya ko e wo fe ko wi o ba jo na menu e shi fe ya bie just like blofu wi mo amemo le shikomi no she ko blofu chema mama chon wa show you have to keep on talking to the baby talk e wo na kan no ko ba chon le gan wi mo je no eke ele e wo asa no practice where every small moment no ba na e ko ke bi ke wi gan bi no ba na
she afa me bi allo afa
da bi afa me se
oh okay na agbena ha wo kwe na gba ekomeni nye chom ke ha ekule gbeken bi e ga chom
mi de ke loko beni you so fe bi mo pe she noni nke fita eji I think I can start with lala hu to mo bi you first one can chole ile la mo ejudba shi noni fi oji jo meto lala ji galala ntwa ha le ni small wa e wa ben mana asmada len min twa e ko botemi e wa one day teshi what chocolate she teshi no ne bo nla mo ngwe malemni abano we sankwila ewo I think akelala who is a great way of ni me la galala ji oba wo twa galala ji wo ha me oba na ka me ba kase ke wona gbeke bi ahwemo ye gami I think that one me gbeke bi ahwemo ye wo wo ke wi mo fitaye
nye sumo ake wo fe ni wo ke wanye me ni yo man se ke die bagawe mo mi nye sumo ni wo fe ni wo ke wanye ko ni nye bie hu alega oduba
I think with that you are doing a great job because ni ba no channel ni ke wow and eba improving gan because asani the thing is that asani onu ni me wie wo the more ni me wie ni o kwe ke still improve more of that video say kudos to you on that we like more of that more of that ke be number futumi be be na ba fia me interview gami I think I will be a man said they will love it.
Oh, come and sit down. Toyote. Oyo jogba. Mini ji ogbe. Ta trouble ten. Amahale Mike, I think. Te Toyote.
Ideba.
Afi enye oye.
5.
Oye 5. Wow.
Ningme oje.
Ningme oje.
In the UK.
In the UK. As I know you why.
Oh, ebomo the ene pocho like I mean, this
exactly.
I'm trying
exactly.
to.
No, it has to cover the mouth so that it prevents so
you don't need to touch it.
Wi-Fi ni ke wo bo mode ni wo ba bo na ni wo ba ni wo wi mo machine be e ba laje wo macho ke plamane no ke daboshi ake no feel follow e ko me oni oje ba fi
Eko.
Oh, Eradon. Oh, yeah, Nagbe, you mokoni, was money. Okay, ha, many call.
Oh, Nerado. Nya channel ebo modern why hagame
I may subscribe to a channel.
to channel actually Faith and Kayla.
Yeah, okay, wow,
For
description
sure
box.
So
because be a shomoni
if
vlogs ewo ni nya view ga waka ni ga gbo inu ake Ghana on bi ane ga me nya bi wie brofo brofo so shi maka nya ka ni ga laji ga wo wie money ni wo wie mo enwo wa wo hani ga ya hi wo men me wo yo manse wo bomoden ya ke mbi na ekule mekume nya bi a wi ogawa ewo nya bomoden ni still nya chanyo men nya yo Ghana onya ka ni gala je because ke obi e ba was money obi e ke nya bi e fa awi ga
we are the
ni blofo abashi
Okay, be
ka ni gala je
be abladia bi wakabawa bi ene wakenye Eradon ake nye pre video ne ka shina gbe womi danye shi ni egon wona wa ake wonna wonyemi ne wakale ba leken klamane no eba visa share experience ni yesho ake wakase ni bi no eteko yemi ni won wa afemi wakaba bo he won danye shi be conclude in another video conclude baba ni nyegbe no ewo nyeka nye hia pa no nye subscribe ebi ya mene ewo ofane nye kwa amede nye subscribe to am channel e inke link ba o description e box mi koni nye click ni nya akwe am channel nye Eradon nye hia show ba nkpa nye fine nye wi aga ko te he ko wi mo ga first ka o wi ni me nu e ke ko cha ke te blofo alo wi mo konkulu kenye man se nye bo amode nye ke nye bie awi aga won pa ni fine ni wo hani wo man wi mo amashike hani won wo bi ni baba wi mo akangma me nye Eradon tra ni obanyaba. My name is Nia aka Ghanaian, the only YouTuber in the whole of Ghana. So thank you for watching, and I know you watching, you have learned one or two things in Ghana, and I'll bring more videos on your way. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. To subscribe, I'll see you on my next episode. My name is Nia aka Ghanaian. Ola Bawo. Say Ola Bawo.
Ola bawo.